Rip used to sit and talk with his friends on long summer days. Nicholas Vedder, the landlord of the village inn, was Rip's good friend. Rip had to leave his group eventually, as his wife complained that his friends encouraged his idle habits. Poor Rip was reduced almost to despair. He started walking away into the woods with Wolf. On one of those days, Rip had gone high up the Catskill Mountains. From there, he looked down into a deep and dark valley. Evening was gradually advancing. He felt that he should return home. As he was about to go down, he heard a voice from the distance calling, "Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle." আজকে এতটুকু, আবার আমরা পরের দিন পড়ব।